How to fix Safari can't establish a secure connection. This problem only occurs when you're trying to open Safari when your internet connection is not stable or slow. So change to a fast internet connection or a stable connection. Even if the problem is not the internet and you're still facing this issue, make sure the website you're trying to open is not banned or not blocked. If it is banned in your country, it's not going to open up, and if you have blocked that website, it's still not going to open up. So make sure it's none of that. And if it still doesn't open up, even if that website is not banned in your country and it's not blocked by you, then click on your settings, click on general over here, click on software update. From inside over here, check if there is any update available for your iPhone. If there is, update it to the latest version. It could be caused by a bug, and doing that should fix it. And if it's still not fixed, you can just click on iPhone storage. From here, you want to find Safari and click on it once you see it. And from here, just click on website data. From here, click on remove all website data and click on remove now. By doing that, your problem should be fixed. Try to open up the Safari browser. Now it should work. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.